This is one of the happiest days in my life. Hi baby girl or boy, I don't know what you are. And I just found out that I'm carrying you. I took 3 pregnancy tests. And then I also took a clear blue. It plus 3 weeks. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. This has been a very emotional journey for me. This has been a very emotional journey for me, and I'm so excited. I am so happy. I also don't want to be too excited because it's still the early stages. But I know that God and my ancestors and my husband's ancestors are going to protect you. They're going to do everything there is to make sure that uzawufika uphelele, uzawufika all right. So yeah, that's the very first update. I'm not sure how far along I am, but it cleared blue it plus 3 weeks, so that's just an estimation. It might be 4 weeks, it might be 5 weeks, whatever the case is. So yeah, I'm planning on taking another test tomorrow morning. I don't know why. And then I'm also planning on going to a GP. I think I'm going to go Saturday because it's currently month end. Your dad is at work. I think he's on his way coming back from work. So I just sent him the pregnancy test and he was so shocked. He thought maybe it is a ovulation test because it's like, it is an ovulation test, so we can try now. And I'm like, no. The reason we don't know, because I've been tracking my cycles. Last month, my cycle only lasted for like a day. You know, by go 7 episodes, ndavuka the following morning says pelile. I was just wearing a paint liner. And I thought, must be implantation bleeding. And it, nope. Chelly Loco, the pregnancy tests were negative. I went to the doctor, still the same thing. That got to go and I was very hurt. And then they still gave me the pills. And then last month, it was the unkindest month ever for me because as much as I know that I want to have a baby, but it only hurts for the first hour when I see that, okay, my periods are here. But my periods were late. My periods were late for like 18 days, if not 14. I really had my hopes up. It really tormented me, I don't want to lie. But, uThixo guys, wenza izinto ngexesha lakhe. So yeah, that's the first update.
ever since I found out that I am a child, Heartbeat has been my song. It has always been my song, even when I was trying to conceive, because the artist is my favorite and I felt like it relates so much to having a baby. Anyways, there's been a whole lot of bullying on you know, that toxic app on Facebook, and people has been on my face saying I'm less of a woman, and Kwazuzaya, I'm infertile, and ndikhalisa le ngoma because that's when ndikhalisa le ngoma. If ever I get in the car, I play this song for my child or for myself, I don't know. But I'm so emotional, and I'm thinking how this whole thing would have hurt me if I wasn't pregnant. You understand? How it would break me, because I'm one person that don't do things because it's fashionable. Because I felt like age is against me. But I knew that it's not the end of the world. It's not something that's going to stop me from living and being happy. Surely I'll just be sad for that first or 2 hours. I'm on my periods, but it would end. It has never been a big deal, and I understand. But it is something that I wanted. So I'm just thinking of how cruel people can be to people whom they don't even know. Of how they would do anything to hurt a person. Did you know if ever being pregnant? Because this has no effect on me, but I'm just surprised. Abantu are so cruel.
When you take your first breath, I'll be the first witness.
I am probably gonna post this when we're here. You have made me go through the most. I have a feeling that I'm young, because what is this? Everyone was cleaning. It was very hard. I was very tired. I was very exhausted. I decided by the for 15 minutes. 15 minutes turned to 3 hours. Tombo Opudo doesn't balance. I don't understand people who have more than 5 kids or have 4 kids, but you keep on going through this over and over again because ndingaphantsi. What do you mean that you're always tired? And because I think I've been watching a lot of videos of pregnant people. Because people don't show 99. I'm struggling to, I think I'm struggling to breathe simply because I'm a person who was out of breath even before. Abantu bahleli phandle andazi bazafika ngethini, because at the end of the day the same thing. Ngase ngiphinde ngingena ngifike ngilale. Ngaze ngagoya ngimncane. Lapho I prayed for you. Lapho I cried for you. And I'm praying that you're going to be a pretty little child, baby, because I don't want to specify gender as a job. I'm not different, baby, don't be. But you are making me go through the most. Oh. And you make me cry all the time. I feel like I'm always crying. Go up. Ngenxa yakho. Hayi 2K. Uhamba nomama wakho straight. So this one, she's acting into the food, man. She's actually very new, but she asked me to show her something.
Show me.
She asked me to show her something, and I had to show her the something. I'm so excited to have
Is it? She's your baby mama. She won't be your baby mama. To me, it's so cute. It's so cute. Friend, you are so cute. It won't be your baby mama. She your baby mama. Come on, break it down. Break it down. Break it down. Break it down. Oh, Chummy, you're so cute. Chummy, it's so cute. You are so nunus.
It's so weird.
You are
This
so
is your
nunus.
grandmother. She's embarrassing me. She asked me to come to the bathroom to show.
You're so nunus. Oh, my friend.
This is how I'm hiding you, child. Can you see what I have?
Which one? See now?
You can't see me. Can't see you.
Bahlala kitopo.
We're going home anyway. Bye.
She's your baby mama. She gonna be your baby mama. Come on, she your baby mama. Mama down. Oh, akafika kukalekile.
I'm working. It's month end at work. I can't do anything. My stomach feels so painful. It's like not so kapuka. Oh guys, like my months, they're still very low. I'm on 20 weeks, but it's cool and it sometimes it will be like a balloon. I want to show you something, guys. I am Leiwa Pakumbo. Listen. Mama, in the morning. It's raining outside. And I just wanted to go to the car. Oh, dear Lord. So I just did my baby's, what do you call this? My baby's 3D scan. And it looks like she or he, I have a feeling it's a he, but I'm gonna love my baby regardless. I love you, but even if you're a boy, but yeah, I have a feeling it's a boy. Why? Already. There's hair. Like a mama again. And so like I only 3D or 4D. In all honesty, I just wanted to see my baby because I felt like I got a better movie as much as I expect her or him to move. So I'm like, the scan is only 400. I'm just gonna go, child, because I didn't want to bother my gynae, because we are moving, no moving. But it's like, I just want to see my baby. I just want to see my child. So then they 3D scan and usogolisile. I feel like on every scan from, I think from, was it from 13 Mosesana Zingalo and stuff. All the time they are complaining about the hand. My child has this hand, I don't know whether it's right or left. There's always this hand covering his face. Like he frowns or she, I don't know why I keep on referring as a he.
But he keeps on frowning. Uyadikwa yakruquka. Wow! Waze wangifuza na umntwana. No, who's that like? I'm not finna him na. Waze wamfuza uba wakhe wema. Unesisandla sami. Sizama umsusa. Ajonge on our direction as if uyasibona. Umbomba udonsa umrharha udikiwe. Xa sisondeza udikiwe. Okanye asuke xa sizama umuva. Isuke izamle lanto. I think I'm exaggerating, but you guys won't see. So then, well, apparently, and this man, this thing is never clear. But in the moon, we need to yo. Do you follow that again? The table. My baby has a dimple. Who's not dimple there? Did I? I've been with you for 7 or 8 years. I don't know how many years. Who's not put dimples on? Who's not dimple there? Then the morning. Apparently it has disappeared because it's gained weight. Oh, nani chokoni because nizibone nanti dimple. Yo. Nizibone. Apo na. Yo. You. Can't believe I'm growing a human being, guys. I am growing a healthy, kicking, very active human being. The scan, also somebody couldn't do a lot of things because I was like, she didn't give me the paper. She said she was gonna write the gender of my child. Guys, I recommended this lady.
A few moments later.
Hey Kebafazi, this is how I found out about the gender of the child. I don't want to say I was disappointed, but I think because I first dreamed I'm having a girl. Then I think 2 weeks later, I dreamed that I'm having a boy, so I was a bit confused. But in the Oband is it really stuck with me. And also, prior to us falling pregnant, me and my husband has always said we wanted a girl. But I was happy regardless, and also angry with the fact that Uzaguda didn't even try and make an effort to hide. She basically ruined my plan because I had planned to make a special small gender reveal with my family and stuff, and I didn't do it because I felt like it wasn't special anymore because I already knew it would have just been for social media if I carried on, and I don't do that. I do things because difunas visa kamnand, and if it defeats the purpose, so it's not gonna happen. My husband is sleeping and I'm making noise. You guys can't see me. Because I'm struggling to turn my camera backwards so that I can use 0.5, but with this new update, I don't know. Also, guys, I don't know whether it's... Ever since I went to the hospital, I'm going to tell you guys that I've been hospitalized. I was very, very sick. I came back and my body is always itching. And I look like a para. I look like what? Like a para. I look like a para. So now I'm going to take a shower and I'm going to Anati to do my hair. Then I am going to go to Akile to do my face. Apparently they live close to each other. And we're going to go to a photo shoot. But it's going to be very late. I'm so angry about that. But we're only going to do the indoors part. And Dala guys, they postpone a photo shoot and I feel like he's gonna drop in a minute. In a minute. I wish I could show you, but I can't. What can I use? There's nothing I can use to try and. So yeah. That's why I haven't been here, is because I'm expecting my sunshine. I am expecting my what? And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? I've been looking like this my entire pregnancy. I was like, the outfit I'm gonna pull, I'm gonna be so nice, and and I was like, yes, I'm not gonna. And this video is a pregnancy, but I'm gonna record and hey guys, do you think I ever did that? No, I didn't do that. I ke batle go bua maka wa kgaloganya a ke batle go bua maka ngwanaka ebe o mbeng phete katle ya ngwanaka wasn't problematic at all, but mommy on the other side, guys, don't have kids when you're old. Have kids in your early 20s. Because you will suffer. You will suffer. Ngimdala phela mina to be a first timer at this thing. Ngimdala phela. I'm supposed to be having my last third child. Penny, guys, poor fat. So yeah, jokes aside, I don't know how I'm gonna look in the ponytail because the neck is dark. It's a very, very dark. And guess what? I'm driving from Parklands. I'm driving from Parklands to Kalasha. But at least I think I'll be driving against traffic. I'm so stressed. You know what? Sometimes being an overly confident person is not okay because, guys, I've been driving around yesterday looking like this and I was like, I don't care. Mina ngikhathele and ngijwayele uba muhle. Ngijwayele mos. So ngijwayele uba muhle. It's not a big of a deal. Alright. My husband is sleeping and I'm making noise. Ja, was? Vriend, vier bij jou 7. Ja, was? Vriend, vier bij jou 7. Baby mama. Be pregnant for way too long. Guys, open a meeting October meeting October, and I found out for November, month end November. Imagine.
Ke motle jwang ke motle jwang ga digelo ka gezelo diamela umntana orongo sana okasithi funa uhamba yena dike udike down kazi ke motle. I'm so pretty. Ngingazikela angisemuhle edit for who? Show me your makeup artist and I'll show you mine. Kata no vile phone in the sun. Guys, there's no edit. Yimi lo angisemuhle niyangibona ukuthi ngiyaglowa guys, my hairstylist 8, my makeup artist 8. Shota ku 800
the actual
outfit
and the photographer.
and
Obviously, nobody's gonna eat, so I trust.
Hi guys, I know I haven't been filming, but I'm tired. I am 38 weeks for some days. By now I thought I would have popped already, so I'm trying to exercise. I'm trying to walk. So, guys in. I'm really tired. I had my shoot the other day and it had to be urgent. We did it at night because I thought I was gonna give birth any minute, but here I am, and that's that. So I'm taking a walk. I'm already tired. I'm gonna call my husband to come and fetch me. Ningandibuza the guys bangibe ntonto ngicafana kushushu. So give that a try. Inhloko yakhe is down already, but I got him because ndonithi cervix. Whatever you call it. So I'm trying by all means. How am I gonna walk if the camera in the kitchen? But because I want this baby out, I'm trying my best.